Jump. Jump. Okay. Doing the Dungeon Blast PQ, Sleeping Tree, on Bowman. So this is a Blast from the Past PQ, very similar to KPQ, like kind of the map theming and what you do, right? You go through the levels and then you kill mobs. In this case, it's like you gain experience and gain skills, but in the old version, you get like experience. I guess that's kind of the same, but the goal wasn't to level until the end of the BQ in the old time. Basically, the goal back then was to kill the slimes, so like warriors, I think, would farm those for experience, and then you'd kill hopefully get shoes or something, and apparently I'm supposed to fight. Apparently okay, so we're just gonna farm these dungeon's dark stone golems. There's no down jump. Teleport is really mid. Teleport is really mid. I have played Magician already. This is actually my first time playing the Bowman, and I'm quite liking it. This is, what is this, like a marksman skill with a bow? Alright. And then, let's see here. Get that. Kill that. Yo, this might be the best one. I played Thief, Warrior, and Magician. I like Magician. I like the support. Just spamming heals. Pretty easy and fun, I'd say. And reminds me of old school MapleStory, like hardcore. And then I played the Warrior, and I don't really like the whole tanking and luring. That's just not my playstyle. But and then Thief is fun, but Thief's like double the work because you have to attack from the back. Okay, we're fighting the stone golem. Gonna whoop his ass. Oh yeah, boy. Luckily, sharp eyes and the other skills, like haste, if we had a thief, would last us a full. They don't go away when you die, so I don't have to keep rebuffing like old days. So there's improvements, but also nerf. Like you don't have down jump. Teleport is super nerfed. Like I swear they nerfed teleport even more than teleport was originally. Like I swear teleport used to be able to jump teleport up, and like half the platforms here you can't do that with. And we just died. Oh, that's cool. Yo, this is OP. This is just like the original Bowmaster. I remember, like, this is how they would play. Like, they just find a good spot and then bam, and then readjust a little. Boom. Yeah! Oh, wait a minute. We gotta go back a little. This is cool! This is my favorite one. I think this, and then Mage, and then Thief, and then Warrior. That would be my tier list, you could say. Psst. What the? We don't even need a Thief. This is free. Alright. Look at that. Yeah, this skill, even at level 1, is super OP. Not bad. Look at that. Look at that. That's so fast. That is so fast. Makes me want to make a Bowmaster, but this Hurricane's not the same. Technically, Hurricane's better, but just doesn't feel the same. This feels like Hurricane. Like, oh yeah, you can feel like every bullet. I think I gotta play I haven't played Bowmaster. Like, the last time I played Bowmaster was before the remaster. I have one like level 170, I think. 160, 170. So maybe we gotta go back to Bowmaster. This is kind of cool. I miss Hurricane. Oh yeah, baby. You can't touch me. I'm too strong. I'm too fast. I am the Hurricane Master. Come on! Stop knocking me down. Alright, well then. That hits too? Dang, a whole box. See, this is when hitboxes mattered. Nowadays, half of the characters don't have hitboxes, or the hitboxes are in weird places. I'm just hating. Maple's still pretty fire. But come on, bro! What happened to the tradable stuff? I swear, I didn't know that tradable cubes were a thing in other servers. So, like, now I'm upset. Like, before I didn't really mind. I was like, well, we do technically have service. It's not impossible to do things. However, the fact about service is that service is sketchy. So, other servers have tradable cubes? What is the problem then? Why not make one mega server? Okay, maybe keep our cubes untradeable, but make one big server for the auction house that links with all the auction houses for all the games. Like, I would even say for KMS, because, like, why wouldn't they want to sell some items like that they can't, you know, like, I mean, maybe not KMS, maybe that'd be too big of a merger, but I guess we gotta kill this boss now. I'm kind of ranting, but you know what I'm saying? Like, make one big auction house, and so we can't sell our untradeable cubes, but we can still, like, buy materials from other servers. We can still get flames from other servers, and we can buy cubes from other servers, and, like, you know, like, come on, like, I mean, I'm not saying don't make our stuff like tradable. Absolutely, we need tradable stuff because, like, that's just gonna help in the long run. But I think like a quick solution is just, like, merging the auction houses for all the servers. Like, wasn't MC and GMS like one server at one point? I thought, like, early on they were one server, or maybe like the North American and the European. I don't know the specifics of those. Like, I just know they exist, and they sometimes get cool features that we don't, or sometimes we get features from them that you know. Anyways, like, that's the extent of what I know about other servers. But my reasoning, but that's my point, is that's, like, the extent of what I knew about other servers. But now I'm finding out about this whole tradable cube thing. Look at this guy. This is a revamped version of the original Crimson Bosch. So we had 3 people. It took us about 10 minutes. Oh, I should have moved that. That looks kind of mid. Oh well, I guess you guys get the mid timer. Yeah, no matter what, Hurricane's always... Wouldn't that be cool if you could merge skills? Like, imagine this with Shadow Partner. Like, holy... That would be incredible. Like, what if you could swap classes, right? Like you can do that already, at least for explorers. I don't know if you can, like, do that for others. Like, I don't know if you can go from, like, a blaze wizard to a night walker, but you can go from a night lord to a blade, right? You can't go from night lord to, like, a priest or a bishop, but you can go from a Night Lord to a Chad? Or can you do all the jobs? That's something I'd have to look up real quick. But imagine, because you put in the work, right? Like the first time you put in the work to get that character to, like, let's say 200, right? That's the cap. So let's say you can keep one skill from, that would be super OP if they didn't add that to all classes, and like classes that have more jobs, they probably have to cap that at like 3 or something. But basically what I'm getting at is that every time you swap classes, you can take one skill from them to the new class. So like Night Lord, you can do Shadow Partner. I guess they all have Shadow Partner now, so that's kind of redundant. But if they could do... Can you tell my is showing? But like, what skill does Night, like, Mayprisha. May appreciate ya. That's right. Thanks for being here.